Hi folks, Brian Dacey here, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and I'm here to talk to you about why you should buy a Jayco. For example, this is the Jayco White Hawk. Jayco is really an industry leader in terms of innovation, technology, and construction of their travel trailers. I know it's a lot of fancy words, but what it boils down to, real simple, the fiberglass is vacuum bonded. As opposed to the grandma's old clothes dryer where the fiberglass is all adhered and glued together and then it goes through a pinch roll system, these giant rollers. That's not enough to really get those air bubbles out. So when you vacuum bond this and you put it in a big vacuum press, that sucks out all those little microscopic air bubbles that you'd see otherwise. That's kind of what causes delamination. Actually it is. When you go into places where it's a higher altitude, temperature, humidity, things like that, that can become a real problem if those air bubbles are kept in here. So that's one example of how Jayco really is an industry leader in terms of construction. Another thing, the roof. 4,500 pound full walk-on roof. Okay, it's a Magnum truss roof. It's kind of built like an aircraft wing, has a lot of flex, and that's the vice clamp that holds this whole box together. If you've got a strong roof, then you're going to have a strong trailer. Doesn't just stop there. All plywood construction. There's no chipboard, OSB, or as people like to call it, beaver puke, anywhere in this trailer. This is all plywood. Here, I'll show you what I mean. Come in here. Real simple. If you're looking at a travel trailer, I'm not going underneath the storage in this one because it's trimmed out. But if you lift the bed, you should see plywood. If it looks like that cheap canned ham that you get at the supermarket, if you see chipboard or anything like that, then that's not the trailer for you. That's a cheaply constructed, cheaply built trailer at the end of the day. What's next? Integrated A-frame. See this front A-frame? It's actually integrated all the way through inside of the to the box here. What happens is if you're at a standstill and you get this thing behind your truck, when you go to take off, that torque has to go somewhere. Now, if this box right here was sitting on top of this A-frame, which you'll see on inferior built trailers, well, that torque is going to go straight down. So what happens is it pulls the entire front of this down, and it puts a tremendous amount of stress on this entire front cap. So when you have an integrated A-frame like this, it disperses the torque throughout, which is, well, more money to do at the end of the day. It's more money, but it's worth it. And that's just 3 things off the top of my head that I can think of in terms of why you should buy a Jayco. Okay, industry leading warranty, 2-year warranty, covers everything from bing to bang. Everything's covered. Even the vendors that put things like Furrion ovens or Norcold refrigerators, doesn't matter what it is. For 2 years, you got full coverage on this, plus a 3-year structural warranty. Nobody else in the industry can offer that. Those are just a few reasons why you should buy a Jayco. Why should you buy a Jayco from Worldwide RV? Real simple. The competition, well, from what I've heard, and mind you, I heard this, competition likes to steal candy from kids at Halloween.
Hey, that dealer that's not Worldwide RV just stole my kids' candy!
So there you have it, folks. Worldwide RV is the #1 Jayco dealer in the state of Arizona. We have the industry leading prices here. We've got a great selection. Come see us and keep your candy safe. Ooh, I'll enjoy it.